Polybuzz versus Talkie versus Character.ai. What is the best chatbot tool for you? Looking for the best AI chatbot app? Let's compare Polybuzz, Talkie, and Character AI to help you choose the right one. Polybuzz offers a wide range of AI characters with authentic voices and personalities. It's designed to make interactions feel like real conversations. However, some users report a poor user interface and frequent subscription prompts. Additionally, customization options for creating your own characters are limited. Talkie. Talkie provides a creative AI community with customizable AI companions. It features a leveling system for chatbots, enhancing engagement. While the app has improved over time, some users experience issues with AI responses not generating properly. Character.ai. Character.ai allows users to chat with a variety of AI-generated characters, including celebrities and fictional personas. It boasts an intuitive interface and human-like AI responses. However, there are concerns about the depth of interactions and potential safety issues, especially for younger users. Each platform has its strengths and weaknesses, so consider your priorities, be it customization, user experience, or safety, when choosing the best chatbot tool for you. Now, thanks for watching this video.